This is what your water heater sounds like when it's full of calcium and it hasn't been serviced yearly. This water heater here is only 4 years old. And it will fail probably within the next year.